Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yuvraj. Today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future. It's a weekly update from 7th of November to 11th of November 2022. Did you become profitable last week? What I have mentioned is that if it doesn't cross 11,700 label, then every right that will be your selling opportunity. I think you have remembered that. If you have sold from this label 11,580 this label and exit from 10,800 label, I mentioned that when it reaches 10,800 exit from that label. If you exit from this label, then last week you might have about 800 points profit. In 1 week 800 profit, 800 point profits, that is the massive profit. Okay, and next thing what I have mentioned is that it will be highly volatile. Check here this candle. Okay, so last week it became highly volatile, and I have recommended all of you guys just be careful about your trade size, because thing is that even if you are in a right direction but big lot, then you will exit, your account will be blown up. Look here, if you have sold from this label, let's say that if you have sold in 11,200 label, and if you had a big lot, and then when it goes 200 points up, then you would have a big loss. And when you exit from that label, look here, the market is going down. Okay, so even if you are in a right position, because of that volatility, you exit, and then after that market goes to another direction. That's the reason we had to be very careful last week, and then probably all of you guys might be careful about your trade size, and then you become profitable last week. So what will happen for this week? That is the major concern. Let's check what type of data are going to be released this week, and based on those data I'll come back to this chart and I'll analyze, and finally I will predict for the week. Okay, this week what will happen for this week, and you can take that prediction as the reference. You can do your own research, and then you can enter into the market. All right, on Monday and Tuesday there are no major data, and Friday also no major data. Wednesday only crude oil inventory. That means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday almost no major data. Only Thursday we have major data, that is CPI. Okay, CPI MOM and CPI YOY. Okay, two CPI they are going to be released in this week. Okay, and initial jobless claim also on the same day. So CPI, that expectation that is 0.7%, that is monthly, and then previously it was 0.4%, and CPI yearly basis, that is 8.0, that is expectation, and then last time it was 8.2. Okay, so major data, that is CPI. Alright guys, we have checked the data, what type of data are going to be released. We have already checked, and this week based on data, major data, it is going to be very quiet. Okay, only only Thursday there are some data, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday there are no major data. That means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday only the rumor or market that sentiment or the trend, that will be the key determining factor to lead the market. Okay, so no data is going to lead the market or determine the market position. So trend, so follow the trend. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for 3 days, just follow the trend, just follow the trend. That's my suggestion. And Thursday it is going to be highly volatile again, because if the CPI is greater than expected or at the same level, at that point market will go down very hard. It will fall very hard. But if it is positive, that means if it is less than the expected, then market will go high, very high. So it is going to be very high volatile. That's the reason you need to be very careful on Thursday. All right, and then future movement also, that will be determined by Thursday's data. So the Thursday is the important day for Nasdaq 100 future. So at the moment, the market that is in 10,840, this level, market is in this level. Let's see, market at the moment is at this level, and there is an immediate resistance level in 10,900 level. This level, market, it sees immediate resistance level. If it crosses the immediate resistance level and then it changes, that 10,900, that changes from resistance level to support level, then you have to buy. First target 11,200, second target 11,400. Okay, if it change, if that 10,900, that label is changed from resistance to support, enter into the market, bullish market. Put your stop loss around 10,850, this label, 50 points, and then hold the market. When it reaches 11,200, sell half of your position, and then change your stop loss from this level 10,850 to break even 10,900, and wait for the next target, that will be 11,400 level. That's the one thing. But it is highly possible to open market in a gap down. If market opens in a gap down, then this 10,900, this level, this will still be the resistance level, and it will be very difficult to cross this level. If it doesn't cross this level, then you need to go in the selling side. Sell. When you sell in this label, like 10,850 label, if it is there, then 100 points stop loss, you can put stop loss at 10,950. But if it reaches to 10,900 and can't cross from that label, if you sell from that label, put your stop loss in 11,000 here, and then wait. Okay, and exit of your half trade from this 10,700, this level, and change your stop loss into break even. That break even, that will be 10,900. Okay, from this level 10,011, from 11,000 to change your stop loss, put your stop loss here. Okay, 10,900 break even. Sell half of your, exit half of your trade in 10,700, and wait for next target. Your next target, that will be 10,500. Okay, so do this. Okay, so this thing you have to do, you can do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday it will be highly volatile. Okay, it will be highly volatile, and then Thursday, Friday, trade based on the data. What type of data it releases, based on that, do. Okay, if the CPI that is less than the expected, then buy the market, buy it. Okay, if the market is 10,500 level, buy it, no need to worry. Next target Next buying opportunity 10,700 level if it cross. Next one 10,900 if it cross. Okay, so keep on buying if the CPI that is less than the expected. But if it is same, it's exactly as the expectation or higher than expectation, then market will go down. It will go below 10,500 and then every rise, that will be your selling opportunity. Okay guys, this is our planning for this week. So let's quickly check the prediction for the week. Let's quickly summarize the video. Alright guys, Nasdaq is highly possible to be bearish this week. Limited weekly major data will be released for this week. CPI is the major data that determines Nasdaq's further move. Thursday will be highly volatile, possible gap down and opening. Lower than expected CPI data will help to push the market higher, otherwise sell in every rise as I already mentioned. Sell below 10,900 with stop loss at 11,000 for first target 10,700 and second target 10,500. Buying opportunities at 10,500, 10,700 and 10,900 with a target 11,200, which depends on CPI. Okay, so it depends upon CPI data. Okay, so whether you need to buy or not, just first we need to check the CPI data and then we have to decide whether we have to enter into the buying side or selling side, bullish side or bearish side. Expected or higher than expected CPI pushes market to go below 10,500. Okay, if you see this type of data, then market will go below 10,500. So every right, that will be your selling opportunity. But lower than expected CPI suit the market up, and then you have to buy in different buying level as I already mentioned, like a 10,500 level, 10,700 level, 10,900 level. Okay, those are the buying opportunities. You have to use those points if the CPI is lower than expected. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, market will be driven by rumor and expectation. Thereby follow the market trend. Okay, follow the market trend. If it crosses 10,900, buy it for short term, not for long term. Buy it for short term. I believe that this video is helpful you to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 for this coming week. If you like this video, just thumb up and comment if you have any question